Don't forget to put your date on the top of the page. We are looking at exercise 2.2, so put that in the column, in the margin, and it's on page 69. So let's have a look at number 1. Use a calculator to express the following as decimals and classify them as either terminating, recurring, or irrational. Now, a terminating decimal is something like 6.75, where it just stops, doesn't keep going on forever. A recurring decimal is like 5.675675, where it keeps recurring. You can show that those numbers are recurring by just simply putting a dot above the first and last of the recurring pattern. Okay, or you can just put a little line above it. So that's recurring. This is a terminating, and an irrational is like pi, it's 3.14, and just keeps going on. All right, so let's do n, the square root of 360. So if you get a calculator out, let's get a calculator. We need a better calculator than that one. Let's go to the scientific calculator. 360, and you want to square root it. Where is it? Square root. I can't see it. Must be here somewhere. I'm blind. Oh, there it is over there. Square root. Okay. Now look at that number. Is there a regular repeating pattern? No, there's not. It just seems to keep going on and on forever. So that number is a irrational. So what you write for your answer, it's an irrational number. It means it just goes on forever. If we have a look then at, let's do G, which is 2 over 11. Get our calculator and go 2 divided by 11. Ah, 0.18181818. That's a recurring number. So the answer for that will be recurring. And where's another one we could do? 26 divided by 4, which is B. Let's do that one, see what we get. So clear that. 26 divided by 4 equals 6.5. That's a terminating number because it doesn't go on forever. So we write this one here is a terminating. All right, what I want you to do is have a go at the rest of number 1. Now, let's have a look at number 2. Use a calculator to write each of the following fractions in an exact decimal form. Okay, so I'll do A. 1 over 6. All you do is you get your calculator, same as we did for number 1, get your calculator, go 1 divided by 6, just to work out what the fraction is. Okay, and write that so that you show the recurring. Okay, so it's 1.66 is recurring. So the way you write that is 1.6 and put a dot above the 6. That means that 6 is repeated, recurring over and over again. Let's have a look at, say, H for number 2. Hang on, we've lost the pen again. H for number 2, that's 2 over 13 equals, so you get your calculator, 2 divided by 13. All right, what's the repeating pattern here? 0.153, see that 153 there? The 53 is coming up. So 153846 is repeated. So it's 0.153 153846, recurring. 153846. So 153846 is recurring. So you put a dot above the first number and the last number of the set of numbers that's recurring. Okay, I'll do one more. Let's pick O, 7/18. Let's write that as an exact decimal, so you just get your calculator. 7 divided by 18. Alright, let's write that in the exact form. So it's 3.8 recurring. So all you do is just go 3.8, and to show the 8's recurring, you just put a dot above it. I want you to have a go at the rest of number 2. Thank you. Okay, now, we're not going to do number 3. It's too hard. Now, if you really want to, if you're a top student and you really want to do number 3, I would suggest you read page 68 of your textbook and do that and have a go. All right, number 4 onwards you should be able to do now, although don't try to do number 8. So number 3 and number 8, we're not going to do those. So have a go at the rest of those questions, guys.